talk about public safety, I'm not just talking about the traditional police or law enforcement, firefighting and emergency medical. Those are absolutely important, of course. But public safety is also about parks. It's about clean, safe drinking water. It's about reliable electricity. It's about transportation that flows through the city. That really enhances the livability and quality of life of the city. It attracts residents to the city who in turn pay taxes. It attracts business. So if we look at public safety in the holistic sense, we'll see that a city can become livable and its quality of life can be enhanced.
In today's world, it is so important that our different agencies are able to talk to each other, because we see more and more events where we're responding with multiple groups of people, multiple different agencies. And we've had several in the past already where those the EMS unit, the fire units, and the police units could not talk to each other. They were on different systems and they were not compatible. Those units have to be able to share information. There's so much information out there that we can tag into to help us to make a better decision, help us do a better job, that we simply have not grasped yet. We need to be able to do that, because not only can we put information out through the social media network, we should be able to get information back in. That communication back and forth between the public and our public safety officials is really a key to the future of communications and first responders.
These cities can't afford to have a different technology for sanitation, a different technology for public works, a different technology for transportation. They've got to leverage that holistically, and what we're trying to do is understand all of the requirements in those other government verticals, to understand how we can develop the technology and they can leverage it across the entire city, over our networks, on our devices, in a solutions orientation.
One of the trends that we see around the world is that there's an increased flow of information between citizens, responders, and agencies. The challenge is, how do you turn that information into intelligence? How do we connect to the city through integrated multimedia solutions? How do we help IT manage the complexity? Through integrated operations and management solutions that look at multiple networks, multiple devices, and then the environments that those devices are going to be in. The last piece is, as we talk about proceeding with intelligence out in the field, how do we create smart devices and smart vehicles that actually have the ability not only to deliver, but also analyze information that's in the hands of the first responder.
The risk today of not embracing new technologies that are coming into the marketplace is very similar to the enterprise of 10 years ago. The enterprises that invested in wireless early on saw the benefits of what wireless could do for their businesses. In policing, in public safety, for communities in general, those communities that embrace these technologies early on will be ready for the eventual use cases that are going to come to the marketplace. There's no doubt that voice networks, data networks, software will make policing more productive. The communities that invest today will best benefit from that investment.